Today we're going to talk about data governance. When an organization begins to collect patient data, there may be a great deal of focus on such things as how to find patients, what questions to ask, and how to make sure that data that's gathered can address the types of questions researchers want answered. Data governance is one of those issues that can seem a bit technical and take a back seat to some of the more obvious concerns that drive a patient organization to collect data in the first place. In reality, though, good data governance is an essential part of data gathering and sharing, and organizations need to be thoughtful from the start and get this right. Governance is the means by which an organization turns its principles into action. In simple terms, data governance is the set of rules and guidelines for the collection, storage, and sharing of data. It's a critical element to assure patients that their data will be safe and used properly. RareX thinks patients should own and manage their own data. With RareX, patients who contribute their data determine who has access to it and how it's used. We're working to provide patients with the tools and knowledge to ensure they get the most from their data from the start. RareX knows that being a data steward carries significant responsibilities. People are entrusting researchers with highly personal medical data. They're doing so because they believe it can help accelerate the diagnosis of rare diseases and the development of needed therapies. While RareX is educating communities on the importance of data governance and will guide them through the ins and outs of its data governance policies, it doesn't expect any organization to become experts in governance, data security, or data management. All of that takes a lot of time, money, and resources. RareX provides governance for all data collected on its program. It manages data collection, access, and analysis under robust data governance policies on behalf of patient communities with which it works. It doesn't charge patients and patient communities for data collection in its RareX data collection program, and it doesn't sell data collected in this program. We're working to see that data collection isn't done in vain, and good data governance is an essential part of that. RareX is working to ensure patient data gathering and sharing is done on a foundation of good governance. To find out what RareX can do for you, go to rarex.org.